The Wright brothers may have invented the airplane, but the jet engine reshaped the world, impacting commerce, immigration, leisure travel, and much more. Today, decentralized finance, or DeFi, has the potential to disrupt a $400 trillion industry. No banks, no brokers, and no intermediaries extracting value any longer. But like the early days of flight, today's DeFi is complicated, unsafe, and insecure. Billions have been lost in hacks, and DeFi as a whole claims a tiny fraction of the total market. Why? DeFi developers are still flying with propellers. The gap between DeFi's promise and current capabilities is like asking the Wright brothers to fly from New York to London. Developers spend as much as 80% of their time on dApp security and duplicating boilerplate code to do the simplest tasks. DeFi needs a jet engine, and Radix built one. Introducing the Radix engine and Scrypto programming language. The Radix engine makes smart contract logic simple, secure, reusable, and composable. Combined with Scrypto's asset-oriented language, developers can focus on innovation and building feature-rich dApps designed to disrupt the financial industry at scale. Because for DeFi to reach billions of users, it will need millions of developers. And to handle trillions of dollars, it will need to prioritize safety and security. Just like the jet engine enabled commercial aviation, the Radix engine will power the future of finance. And DeFi can finally take flight. Get started today.